In the Golden State, dreams of entrepreneurship allure like the California sun. Launching a business, however, requires a fundamental step: obtaining a business license. Every venture, big or small, across industries, must adhere to California's legal frameworks. This critical step ensures your business's foundation is compliant, safeguarding against penalties and building trust with your customers. Skipping this step could lead to consequences from fines to business closure. As we peel back the layers on how to secure a business license in California, remember, the right guidance can simplify what seems a daunting process. Stay with us as we unravel the legal prerequisites and streamline the process for your business's triumphant commencement in California. Welcome back. As we continue with our guide on navigating the business license application in California, we delve into pivotal steps that ensure your application not only meets but exceeds regulatory standards, thereby paving your business's path to success. Identifying the correct license type is critical, given California's diverse economy offers a broad array of licenses specific to various business activities. After pinpointing the right type, gathering necessary documents becomes paramount. This involves collecting everything from business plans to identification documents, ensuring accuracy to avoid delays. Filling out the application requires precision and patience, ensuring every detail accurately mirrors your venture. It's also essential to understand the transparent fee structure in California, which facilitates effective budget planning and supports the state's thriving business ecosystem. Lastly, submitting the application, whether online or by mail, is more than a procedural step. It's a testament to your commitment to joining California's vibrant business landscape. Up next, we'll uncover what follows submission, ensuring you're guided every step of the way towards becoming an integral part of California's dynamic business community. Congratulations on completing the vital steps towards entrepreneurial success by submitting your business license application in California. What follows is a period of patience and preparedness. While awaiting approval, familiarize yourself with the processing times and leverage online tracking for updates. Meanwhile, setting up your business structure correctly, be it as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, is imperative for tax and liability reasons. Maintaining compliance is an ongoing commitment. Understanding state and local regulations ensures your business's continuous good standing, avoiding potential legal issues. Remember, longevity in business is about sustaining as well as starting. Stay informed, remain compliant, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams flourish.